How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change support material in Anycubic Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate through support, and from here, of course, you want to make sure that the enable support is checked. Now you could simply change the type of support that you want to apply, and then at the bottom of it, you also have the style option. Now inside this page, you have the raft layers. So in here, you could basically modify the layers if you want to. But if you want to change materials, there's going to be the filament for supports. So in here, if you want to navigate through or if you want to change the support base, in here, you could just go ahead and select something like the filament or the material that you want to apply. Now, in my case, I'm going to be using this examples right here. And just to show you, I'm also going to add part. So in that way, the supports will then go ahead and apply onto our model. Now that it's all good, let's click on Slice Plate. And basically, as you can see, we have the ability to then apply the supports the way we want to. So just to show you, I'm going to change the support from automatic to manual, and then in here, let's go ahead and paint it manually. Once again, Slice Plate, and from there you should be good to go. I'm having a hard time showing the actual supports right here, but that's definitely how you do it. In here you have the filament material, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.